Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. Are you hungry? Because I'm very hungry right now, and I really want Leo to teach us another Hakka dish, so I know how to cook this when I go home tonight. 有没有什么就是很容易上手，然后又好吃的菜呢？介绍给大家。
好吃的菜，然后又容易上手，那我介绍的就是玻璃菜鳳。
玻璃菜鳳不知道是什麼，
就是
忘記了。
玻璃菜，也就是高麗菜。
哦，對 ，OK， 高麗菜鳳 ，This is a cabbage stew.That Leo is going to introduce to us on how to cook it, all right? 所以既然是風，它就是一定是滷去炖啊那样子的，
对
不对
啊。
好，那应该是准备什么样的材料，然后怎么去？
那我先介绍材料哈。材料部分呢，我们当然就要准备玻璃菜。
玻璃菜 ，OK, of course you got to have your cabbage. 玻璃菜，还有呢？
然后要准备姜麻。
姜麻，我知道姜嘛，
对
不对 ？That's ginger. 姜麻 ，OK, I remember that. 还有呢？
好，再来要准备葱诶。
葱诶。要吃虫哦，
不是
要洗干净一点就不会有虫了。
这样蛮可怕的，不是虫哎啦，是青葱
哦，葱。
对
，It sounds like insects, but no, it's green onions. 葱哎 ，All right. 然后还有什么需要的吗？
再来呢，准备辣椒味干。
辣椒味干，对，干的辣椒啦。
对，干的辣椒。
Okay, dried chili pepper is another thing you should prepare.
然后呢，有一个很重要哦，我们要准备空蛹米。
空蛹米，
控肉的那个汤，
卤汁，
对，卤汁，你要把它准备好。
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is going to make me so hungry now because you also have to prepare a very flavorful ingredient, and that is the pork stew. OK, 好，那怎么做呢？
好，那我们就要先把那个刚刚讲到的姜麻啦、葱诶啊，还有个辣椒味，好，用热锅用油炒过，炒香来。
OK，
爆香之后呢，我们就要把那个空蛹米还有水把它加到锅子里面。那个水的分量呢，要刚好把那个高丽菜给盖住啊！这时候就用那个小火把它炖大概30分钟左右，这道菜就好了。
All right, it's actually pretty simple how to prepare this dish. Again, using those ingredients we talked about, your ginger, your green onion, and the dried chili pepper. Chop it up, and then you stir fry it for a little bit, and then you put it into the pork stew that we talked about. And then finally, you prepare your cabbage, pour enough water in the stew so it can cover and simmer for about 30 minutes, and you have your very tasty, delicious dish right here, which is the cabbage stew. 玻璃菜鳳, and maybe you can prepare and cook it yourself tonight at home. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.